Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we learn to design in Photoshop. Don't forget like and subscribe to my channel to get another tutorial. If you have question, let me know in the comment. So for the first step, I have to create a new document. I go File, choose New, or you can Control N. For this area is basic detail, and for the top one is the title of document. And for here I choose centimeters or cm, width 21, height 29.7. For resolution I put 300 pixels per inch. Color mode I choose RGB color 8-bit. Background content I choose white. Advanced option I don't change and create. And now we have a new document. I want to save this document first. I go File, choose Save As. And now I choose the place I want to save. And click Save. I want to insert background. I go to File and I choose Place Embedded. And I select background. For next step, I add color balance. I stand on the background. I click here and choose color balance, this one. Right click and create clipping mask. For cyan, I put -19. Magenta, I put -12. Okay. I go to View. I choose Card. I choose on New Card Layout. I click on Margin, this one, and I put all of it 70 pixels and click OK. I want to put logo. I go File, choose Place Embedded, and select logo. I drag to put here. I just customize a little bit. I want to insert brush around here. I go to File, Place Embedded, and select Brush. Okay, I put like that, and now I have to insert main subject. For the main subject, you can download on link in description. I go File, I choose Place Embedded, and select main subject. I need to remove background from the main subject. I stand on it and I select subject. I need to customize it a little bit. I choose Polygon Lasso tool, this one. Hold Shift to add select. After that, I mask layer. I can click here, this one, and here. Okay. I want to make the main subject black and white. I stand on it. I click here and choose black and white, this one. After that, I right click on it and create clipping mask to mask the black and white to the main subject. I want to put shadow to the main subject. I stand on it and I click on F8, choose blending option, and take on drop shadow. I change shadow to red, this one. Okay, for angle I put 150, distance I put 7, spread I put 5, thigh I put 10, and you can follow instruction on the screen and okay. Next step, I add a new layer. Click here. After that, I choose brush tool, this one. I click here and choose soft round. Opacity I put 50. I change color to black. I brush around here. I minus opacity a little bit. I want to add rectangle around here and around here. I use rectangle tool, this one. Fill I choose red. Stroke I choose no stroke. I Ctrl J to make copy and drag to another side. Okay, I want to add that around here. I use Take tool, this one. You can tap or Ctrl V to paste. Okay, I put September and I Ctrl J and drag for the below layer, and I put the date and year. I change it to red. I want to change font. I select both layer and choose the font. After that, I select both layer, Ctrl T, right click and choose rotate 90 degree, this one, and drag to side. Okay, I want to add another text and social media icon around here. I use text tool again. I Ctrl V to paste. And I choose the font. The name is Hearthstone. I want to drop shadow to the text. I stand on it and I go to F8, blending option. I take on drop shadow. I change color to black. Okay. I add another thing. I Ctrl J to make copy, and for below layer, I drag it down. I Ctrl V to path. I choose the font and this color. For font, Arterian Ricula. This one. Okay, for Saturday text, I want to change effect. I double click on here. I don't want drop shadow. I want afterglow. Okay, I choose white color, white. This one. And blend mode, I put light and opacity 85. Okay, and you can follow on instruction, and after that just click OK. I want to add another text on here. After that, I want to put contact and social media icon. I add location. I want a rectangle below the location. I choose rectangle tool. For fill, I choose red. I draw it. I just customize it a little bit more. Okay, now our flyer is finished, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get another tutorial. See you next video, and if you have a question, let me know in the comment.